Have you ever seen a car drive by and just thought, wow, that is pure luxury? What is it exactly that separates a regular car from a truly high-end, luxurious one? Is it just the price tag and the fancy badge on the front? Well, today we're going to peel back the layers and dive deep into the world of automotive luxury. We'll explore the specific features, the incredible craftsmanship, and the mind-blowing technology that define a luxury vehicle. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're paying for when you step into a top-tier automobile. Let's start with the most immediate and obvious aspect, the design and the materials. Luxury isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. When you first approach a luxury car, you notice the flawless paint, the tight and consistent panel gaps, and the elegant lines that flow from front to back. It's an art form, but the real magic happens when you open the door. Inside, you're greeted not by hard plastics, but by a symphony of premium materials. We're talking about soft, supple leather, often sourced from specific, high-quality hides and stitched with meticulous precision. You'll find real wood trim, not fake plastic veneers. This wood is often open, pore, meaning you can feel the actual grain of the tree it came from. Or you might see genuine carbon fiber, polished aluminum, or even crystal glass elements, like the gear selectors in some modern luxury cars. Every single surface you touch, from the dashboard to the headliner, is designed to feel substantial and expensive. It's a sensory experience. The weight of the door, the solid thunk it makes when it closes, it all communicates a sense of quality and solidity. Now, let us talk about what you can't always see but can definitely feel: performance and ride quality. A luxury car isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about how you get there. Under the hood, you'll typically find powerful, refined engines. Whether it's a silky, smooth V8, a potent V12, or a sophisticated hybrid or electric powertrain, the key is effortless power. When you press the accelerator, the car surges forward with authority, but without any harshness or vibration. It's quiet, composed, and incredibly responsive. But power is nothing without control and comfort. This is where advanced suspension systems come in. Many luxury cars use air suspension or adaptive dampers. These systems can read the road surface hundreds of times per second and adjust the suspension in real time to soak up bumps and imperfections. The result: you feel like you're floating on a cloud. Potholes and rough pavement that would be jarring in a normal car are barely noticeable. This technology also allows you to change the car's character at the push of a button, from a soft, comfortable cruiser to a firm, sporty handler for those winding back roads. It's the best of both worlds. Of course, a huge part of modern luxury is technology and innovation. High-end cars are often the first to introduce groundbreaking features that eventually trickle down to mainstream vehicles. Think about the infotainment systems. We're not just talking about a simple touchscreen. We're talking about massive, high-resolution displays that are seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. These systems are fast, intuitive, and control everything from the navigation and music to the ambient lighting and seat massage functions. And speaking of seats, luxury car seats are in a league of their own. They aren't just places to sit. They're thrones of comfort. You can often adjust them in 20 or even 30 different ways to find the perfect position. They're heated, of course, but they're also ventilated to keep you cool on hot days. And the massage functions, we're not talking about a simple vibration. These are complex systems with multiple programs that can mimic a hot stone massage, helping to reduce fatigue on long drives. It's like having a personal spa on wheels. The audio experience is another key differentiator. Luxury automakers partner with high-end audio companies like Burmester, Bowers & Wilkins, or Mark Levinson to create bespoke sound systems. These aren't just a few extra speakers. These are systems with 20 or 30 speakers, strategically placed throughout the cabin to create an immersive concert hall-like soundstage. The clarity and depth of the music are simply breathtaking. It turns your daily commute into a private listening session with your favorite artist. But perhaps the most important technological aspect of modern luxury is safety and driver assistance. Luxury cars are packed with an incredible array of sensors, cameras, and radars that create a virtual safety bubble around the vehicle. Features like adaptive cruise control can automatically maintain a set distance from the car ahead, even in stop-and-go traffic. Lane Keeping assist can gently steer the car to keep it centered in its lane. Some systems even allow for hands-free driving on certain highways. These features not only make driving safer, but they also significantly reduce the stress and fatigue of long journeys. It's about making the driving experience as effortless and relaxing as possible. Beyond the tangible features, there's an intangible element to luxury, exclusivity, and brand experience. When you buy a luxury car, you're not just buying a product, you're buying into a lifestyle and a legacy. The dealership experience is often more like a boutique hotel than a typical car lot. The customer service is personalized, and the brand often hosts exclusive events for its owners. There is a sense of community and prestige that comes with owning a car from a celebrated marque with a rich history of excellence. So, what makes a car luxurious? It's not one single thing. It's the perfect blend of all these elements. It's the meticulous craftsmanship and premium materials that delight your senses. It's the refined performance and sublime ride quality that make every journey a pleasure. It's the cutting-edge technology that keeps you comfortable, entertained, and safe. And finally, it's the prestige and experience of owning a piece of automotive art. It's a holistic approach where every single detail is considered and perfected to create an experience that is truly exceptional. What luxury car feature do you find the most impressive? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of high-end cars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.